fuck off.
And I aim that. Get the phone. Why not answer? I'm gonna go over there.
Oh shit, girl, long time I don't see you. Yo, give me a hug, girl. Like, you good though?
Yes.
Like,
chilling.
yo,
Everything
chilling?
nice.
Looking nice, yo. Looking round like,
Wait
like,
then.
yo.
You never tell me say I gotta work. What you do here, so?
They're gonna really that busy. You got work, but.
But who is she? What? Wait, but who is she? But anyways, I'm not come here for them.
How are you coming here today?
Come here to tell you something. I have your baby. And I have
What?
your baby too.
Fool! Yo!
Who
What
else?
you pregnant? Look at that baby.
What
All
are
that
these?
Listen, anyway, think you like trick me? I don't care because I'm there for birth control. I don't care trick me. Me can't read nobody.
Is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard.
What are you talking about?
And I understand. Me there for birth control. Me can't read nobody. Doctor said me can't read nobody. What you?
I'm trying to understand. Me
You
too,
talk
cause.
But all I'm trying to say, all
Listen,
of this
what-
is, I give my
anyways.
money by the end of the week.
What money?
My money for the baby, I haven't for your dirty stinking ass.
See how you did wicked? Long time me I tell you, you know.
Oh, listen, me not take care of nothing. 2 weeks
Yes!
now, me not see you. Me see you last time, but me ain't never do nothing.
We never
I
know